Hi, my name is Anna, and in March 2023, I quit my job to travel the world. I have had amazing adventures in Western Europe, but it's time for a change. In this vlog, I'll be setting off from Paris to Bucharest, Romania. Hope you enjoy! I arrived in Bucharest and already saw the contrast from Western Europe. I got off the bus and looked at the cold concrete buildings and Orthodox churches, thinking, where am I? I settled into the hippie paradise hostel T5 Social, met some new friends, and prepared to see what the city had to offer. The next day, I joined a free walking tour of Bucharest to try to give the city a fair shot. And you guys, I couldn't recommend this enough. Bucharest is so much more than its first impressions.
And Bucharest comes from Bucurie, which means joy. So it's the city of joy. That's why we are all smiling. But also in Albanian means the beautiful city. Oh, I like it. These are two theories. Actually, the one that is agreed by everybody is this one, that Bucharest comes from the city of Bucur. Bucur being a shepherd. I like better the joyful city than the beautiful city.
Our tour gave an overview of Romanian history and focused on the rise and fall of the Romanian communist regime. This 42-year-long period in Romania's history changed the city's culture and landscape forever. During Nicolae Ceausescu's dictatorship in the 80s, the city endured massive changes. Ceausescu drew inspiration from North Korea, and in turn, Bucharest's cultural old town was demolished and hidden behind a concrete curtain of socialist realism-style buildings. The Romanian people were resistant of these changes, leading to one of my favorite stories on the tour. Many historic Orthodox churches were on the chopping block during this time. Civil engineer Eugeanu Ordicescu developed a system to move entire structures away from reconstruction areas. The biggest building he moved with this technology was 9,000 tons. He saved 12 churches and many other historic buildings during this time. The communist regime ended up building their curtain around the churches to conceal them, but ultimately the historic structures were saved and can still be visited today. That night, the hostel was hosting an open mic night featuring many interesting performances.
Oh, bad bugs, and you have heard bad bugs. I have gone to London, and now once again, vacuum cleaning essential oil. Let me ask you, are you afraid to go to bed? Yeah, that's why I sleep in a sleeping bag.
Because I'm only human, putting fires out all the time. One day you're choosing me, and then the next you're not. This carousel, it barely stops to let me on and throw me off again. So if you've had enough of me, then I should say
Good morning and welcome from Bucharest, Romania. Today I am traveling with two of the friends that I met at the hostel. We are going to Ober Market, which is the most famous market, like food farmers market in the city. The Ober Market has been around in some form for over 300 years. It remains an iconic spot in Bucharest and a great place to see some locals going about their day.
Hi.
Introduce yourselves.
I'm Kara. What's your name?
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Okay.
I'm Gerarda or Jane from the Netherlands.
It is also home to Ober Terrace, a food stall selling the best mici in town. It's like a sausage without the casing, apparently. And we've got some mustard and some bread as well. Okay. You gonna? Yeah. I bet it's hot. Yeah, it's good. It's a sausage. Yeah. The mustard's really good. It's kind of greasy. The sausage. I think it's good. Yeah, it's really hot too. So the next Romanian dish that we are going to try is papanashi. It is fried dough with some kind of cream and another little fried dough and some like preserves, like fruit preserves or something. But yeah, so we've got, these are not all for me, it's for the three of us, I promise. Okay, you gonna do it?
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna...
Normally they're very large, apparently. These are pretty small, but I'm okay with that. Being the first one. So like,
Just gonna eat it.
like, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that.
You can't.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. That's really good. That's why not too sweet. Okay, so an update, we came back to the hostel. Finally, after walking around to the park and stuff like that, came back to the hostel. And tonight is trivia night. So I am on the team We Want to Vape Inside. I did not choose the name. We aren't doing so terribly so far, but yeah, it's gonna be another fun night in the T5 Social. Hello.
Who wrote the Communist Manifesto alongside Karl Marx? I'm really sorry. For a little bit longer tonight.
Hello vlog, I would like to say we are in 5th place, but check back in 30 seconds where we're going to be in 1st place.
In 30 seconds? It's like a 10-minute break, right?
No, I'm talking vlog time.
Oh, okay.
Not time. Then it's going to cut, then it's going to say, yeah, we're the winners! Do the clap in front of the... Ready?
See you soon. Thank you very much.
We were so close! We were 2nd place! Really? By 1 point! We can vape inside now!
That's it for this episode. Tune in next week as I travel to Brasov to really kick off this Transylvanian adventure. Thanks for watching.